manufacturing, routers help guide the flow of production, while work orders help kick off the production of a tool or the maintenance of some other type of equipment. Manufacturing orders, on the other hand, trigger the manufacturing of an item. Kanbans can replace all of these. That's right. One critical function of a Kanban is to replace all the different paperwork that flows through an organization. Kanbans can not only take the place of work orders when they are designed effectively, but they communicate clearly to people many critical pieces of information. Two of the most critical being what needs to be produced, as well as how many, and where products or information are needed and how the production will occur. Just think, less paperwork going through an organization and still the same clear instructions and processes. Now that is continuous improvement.